Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Hedera. Hope you're all having a great start of this weekend, and in this video we're going to talk about what's going on with Hbar. Yesterday it was all of a sudden quite bullish, alright? Together with the markets, I mean Bitcoin in general bounced quite a bit. Most altcoins actually were left behind, because if you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, what you can see is that that was impressively strong over the course of especially, basically the entire day yesterday. So most altcoins were kind of left behind, but Hbar actually did quite well. And if you still remember the video I made on Hedera 2 days ago, I think the title of that video was Last Chance for Hbar. Because the situation for Hedera right now, and most of you already know this, but it's good to kind of refresh this. The situation was that we had this big bullish breakout that we did Thursday last week, and we initially held that as well, but then it started to look like, especially Thursday morning, that we were not going to be able to actually hold that breakout. And for that we're going to look at the 4-hour time frame here, and you can very, very clearly see like the main level, the most important level for Hbar was this level at 33 cents. All right, it was a key resistance level during the previous consolidation which we were in. It's also, you can see that blue line, hopefully you can see that, but that's the value area high. So in general it's just a it's just a strong level. And then what we did is we broke above that. Great, retested it, started to rally higher. That's all amazing, right? So that's all very, very bullish. And then we initially, after dropping back down into it with some bearish pressure coming Monday into Wednesday for altcoins specifically, not for Bitcoin, we dropped down into that level and we held that successfully as well. So and you can see that right here. So that was all bullish. But then at the end of Wednesday into Thursday and Friday as well, we dropped down below that level. And there it starts to get a little bit more shaky, all right? Because at the same point of time, like this level, if we want to stay bullish with the structure, we need to hold this level. All right, and if we take a look at Hbar right now, what you can see is that, well, the open interest has been dropping down continuously since Saturday for the last week. We had a bit of a bump yesterday, but that's again also decreasing right now. And then if we take a look at the volume, it will show a similar story, all right, which is that there was a bit of a bump in volume yesterday, which was great, but it's dropping again right now as well. So purely technically, what we need to do is hold this level at 33 cents. But unfortunately, and as most of you know, if Hbar is looking bullish, I will be bullish on Hbar. But if Hbar is not looking good, if Hedera is not looking good, I have to be honest with you as well. And right now, unfortunately, what that means is that technically at this point of time, we are still bullish because we are holding that level at 33 cents. But we would need to see a massive influx of capital or a pretty big change in the markets right now for me to tell you that I think it's most likely that we're going to be able to hold this level and at some point of time rally from this level. No, I would actually say it's more likely. This is a possibility, but when we're talking about percentages, it has like a 10 or 20% chance. I think it's more likely, with Bitcoin being more likely to fall down into the bottom of the range as well, and Hbar, like I said, losing momentum, both leverage momentum but also spot volume and momentum. I would say it's unfortunately more likely that we will drop down below this level and head for the POC at least around 30 and 29 cents. So that's what I would say is most likely for Hbar right now, given the data that we have and given the developments that we see. In the end, you have to make your own opinion and your own decisions, of course. But that's at least how I see the charts and the price action for now. So those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.